Baki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Commissioner and Secretary Pynmih Tnat Bording ka Sarkar Jilla. Sanjay Goyal Ulaong Bakatanat kadang wat kilat kilinti na kabenta ka Bording bala ban Pynmih. Kentop ya ka Bording na kasngi bat na ka ban kentiw ya ka jing Pynmih Bording ha ka Jilla. Ha ka jingkran bat kilat patay kubor. Goyal Ulaong Bakatanat kadang penkre ya ka detail project report na kabenta ka phase 2 jong ka lishka project ban pentip ru baka ganol power project kaladon ha ka jingpan kre nadu ars nem menchua. Ha ka jingkran bat kilat patay kubor ha ka arpundai trek unailar arjapsan. Goyal Ulaong Bakatanat kadang ya kran bat ki company Shiment ban shina ya ki hydro project ki ban penmento ya ka jala ka ban yo Bording a hadu khalai persen.
As far as the power availability is concerned, there is no shortage of the power in this state. So there is no scheduled load shedding, which we have been now adhering to almost now 2 years. Whatever power cuts or disruptions which you are talking about in certain specific areas, the most likely reasons which we have analyzed in last 1 year or so are basically the interruption happen during the rains when there is a felling of tree or tree branches which uproot our poles or they snap our conductors. That is one reason which we have come across, and that happens very frequently because of the thick vegetation which we have in this state. Apart from that, there are some scheduled shutdowns which we take for the upgradation of the infrastructure. That is happening in a big way in the state, and I have informed earlier also that we are taking up upgradation of our lines. We are taking the upgradation of replacement of the rusted poles and all. We are taking the upgradation of the transformers. So once we do that, in fact in many of the cases we are replacing the open conductor with the covered conductors so that we have more reliable power supply in various areas. So for these we require the shutdowns. We are implementing various new substations for which charging purposes and all we need to take the shutdowns. So I will through you request our esteemed consumers that kindly bear with us. This is for the benefit of a proper supply, a reliable supply to our consumers, and I think the impact of this will be visible very soon when these kinds of disruptions will be reduced to minimum. See, for the bigger shutdowns, we take out the notices in the newspaper, wherein a larger area is impacted. And for the smaller areas, of course, we have our Twitter handle through which we inform the people. Now we are in the process of upgrading the mobile phones of our consumers, and based on that, we will try to send the individual SMSs also, keeping the areas where this shutdowns or the planned interventions are required.
So coming to power scenario, how do you look at the upcoming dry season when there will be no rain?
Yeah, as I mentioned, we are comfortable. We are handling our energy management portfolio quite professionally, and that is the way that we are not we are not adhering to any scheduled load shedding. And the lean season, the winters, the festive season, the Christmas, and up till maybe next March or April, when we expect the next round of rains, we have already tied up with in case of power availability, and I don't see any problem there.
So there won't be any power?
Not at all. See, we are going by the Central Electricity Authority (CEA). They do the plan. They do the resource adequacy planning for the state, and as per the plan, we are following and tying up in terms of the power availability, and we are exploring the options of maybe some tie-up with solar power. We are exploring the possibility of hydro project. We are preparing the DPR for the second phase of Leshka, which is in the advanced stage. As well as you are aware that we have just recently added Ganol around 1.5 years, 2 years back in our kitty. We are exploring the possibilities of private developers who will be coming here. The state is going to benefit from the free power available up to 13% from these establishments. So in a nutshell, we can say that we are going as per the plan which has been chalked out by the CEA for us, and we are exploring all the possibilities in this regard.